Fried chicken, just like the old days. So crispy.
Grandma, I understand. Your wish? I'll bring it to you, I promise. A little rain can't stop me. Just have to get there. Number 23, almost time for Grandma's chicken. It smells so good. She's gonna be so happy. No, the chicken, it was for her.
Good things don't come
There
to those
must
who
be
wait.
justice.
Thanks for
That
the
thief
delivery,
has to pay.
Slowpoke.
Not
What?
this time. I
Handcuffs
won't
for
lose
a
it
piece
again.
of chicken?
This is for
This
Grandma.
is ridiculous. Unhand me. They locked me up for that crybaby dog. I'll show them. This wall, this floor, that dog. He'll regret this. But first, I'm getting out.